356 570 0279 356 570 nani omo enkasa ne mwa nani amanko ye pretimi afa mama daroma ye re shootout ne ba ye nram ne ndidi di nkomo oruwa ni chemu ewo Ghana ya branti amrebe atwam no obejuma edema Sporting Lisbon onya kwenya ba eba bejam ye juma ni bi edema the Black Stars of Ghana ni dino ye friend Lumo Agbenye no na ne report eboba chese Agbenye no Lumo abomo de Ramo Malaga boboko no amasua ho no ko akwakoto na kenzie so na aboa nani amada ye pa etimiara mano nchemu no ejezo ne omo eye adwuma until 2022-2023 season no ebe ne no na waboa mantoto ye no soro na akoye pa etimiara mo ntilumo eno ye de aba be ramo orwa ni chemu the national under 20 amaso edia na chese ne niama de diamo mo so confirm say Abdulrazak Yusuf Bakia 2017 yako U17 no oni Ibrahim Danlad mo Mohamed Kudus mo Ibrahim Sadiq Muneko ekoko ye juma enodi wani chemo Estonia obo ejuma etimiarama time from Paidi Lina Mikons na owesere niema esia kwa yesi ne coach Ibrahim Tanko atonsa frena U23 no Razak nso ababa be Roma oba ejuma ni biaboa amane mada ye pretimiarama honkomo no yedi kin aka se Philemon Bafo na jaze right back extraordinaire obeke ono no onya be 7 callers with to aso a no ye ejuma de ma the main Black Stars no Entiana 23 de men high hon ezanzo boejuma ed Mario Avi Bobo Kono wani echimo Portugal eri omonso ono so attach don beba aba join the squad qualifier gamer yeni Mozambique bobo no ambabo bi after that head no Ghana yerese DR Congo Algeria amorena no yeni de be hia na ntoto ye de dia yetimi nya no de na kwanim na apoa ama bibia akoye pa etimi ediament ye no so no e kakra ba nya ba betodwa ye di erera mo kama so no etimi era man ye roma mo no ni se no yeni nkomo kwakudia dodo na friend Agawuli Roho emrebe twam no boadwuma de ma Ken Pfizer wa ye adwuma de ma no wedi bi aseda aboadwuma de ma bibia ni Gold Star na delika no ere biza Agawuli zaga ya unze wako nyakwa ramo Ethiopia amuli gini ma boadwuma na Ethiopia league no oro compare Ghana ye de na abo emu nchemu nsunsu ne bempa ene dam komo se no bo mode etimi adijai. Alright, yeah, niama di deme beko na ya pomodi na no enkomo ni ye di no wetimi amanchemu no o de rom kama pre timi ara mezanzo ni ye di nkomo echeche mu zene oba Ethiopia league no mobo o compare Ghana de no o wesere
boss yenijipa
tianu ye command ne Agawuli Roho ebo moderi je tikwekudi ano no na ne asem no cheche mu ana ebisa no zo so no mo style of play no onche mu kakra se ne no so no esi atia be wenim za Ghana ya na nkofo kan ze bon ni mbo mo no se ne titie
Ghana for na it say on say Ghana for na talented of football ni so Ghana born no so ye Nika Ghana born no she sin ha de no ano omodi kana ewurabo ni omodi it say on say Ghana for na talented
Tialu ya command opo mode di etimi refa ni na boa amani amadadi pa na ebizanzo mo so ho weda no ya na no den na weda yesi ewo Ethiopia no o compare ha ina ko a ya na ball no mo ba mo brepa na ho weda no bo emu nchemu kakra se na sitie
tom di combine na awia no e wa mo nwa na awia no friend say bi be free airport na awia no ba me duru Addis Ababa on no dey boss I want pa nti ya wo say ba ne bo Addis Cup bi nti ona mi say o say o bo na o say o hini mu free so passports o say o hini mu free so by hana one day high bada ba hanu awia no say Ghana we dan say Ghana nti o ba normal than there to am di combine
Etia no ye komo bo mo de ne di ye etimi ede efa ho a ebo ama hyehyɛ na koye pa etimi ede ama ede on komo no ewura mo etimi era ma na eno eye kwekudi a emre bi atwam no bo adwuma ma bibia ne Gold Stars ne wa join Ethiopian Coffee okona wakwa kuru ma boa na hyehyɛ na da de area mo ye fio na ye mra be di komo akra orwa ni chemo heart folk o maso ya enhyehyɛ ne de da ye pa etimi era ma heart folk boboko ni na ze yes ye hwe se ne ma be da de area mo o trade fair center ona ene o chance and for no mo did in komo na komo did enim no almost say likely so be confirm say coach your friend is Zdravko Matic and he ono na ba na 2 years wa ba be jamo aboa manema ko yipa etimiera ma club ye from heart to folk e won komo no na say da won hyehyɛ no esiete any the area ram no yes mfie mienu a coach ne Japan a join omo no ene omo technical team no say ne be head coach ne be coach your friend is Zdravko Matic and afi assistant coach no enso be pin friend David Oklu and goalkeepers coach no Richard Upon Enoch Jordan Daite ebe fitness coach head coach Edema youth development no ebe Samuel Ninoy and Moses Bamutu Mahama and so ebe team manager Dr. James Kote team doctor and David Kojo Tete and so be team physio tie no had to focus rama our current technical team no and anami dear rama team rama and commodity no and so chess 3 o'clock ya yes na NCC no Asia or Accra Media Center or Accra Sports Stadium na monso no ebo modern etimi Asian Central for ediom nkomo etimi era choma izanse amonso omo ogire sesere niema ebi AC konem wa manema de da yekra etimi emfa matim no na hat nkomo no ene ewuram ne dada dombote edidi di nkomo na de dika no ye bizard nonze don obaba be resere niema city a na no ne ya no kasa o kasa lack bi aya wa to fo komo team ni na ene lack be na agidi se hat to fo ball no mo bo na aya wo membo amanema nkoye pa emfa momon lack no nkomo se no die de fa
the supporting base no were down and a football me see support na edibo me ko bobo la na see don but me mbo ba na obi amba mbe hwemia na be dia ye ka see me mbo ba bien na me feel bad because obi amba hwemi nipa be there said say na me here say support omuba because en America no Ghana football aye boss anu from Kotoko out of phone any things ni me qualities wo abu qualities for on and American no but kwala gata na omumma omu di ese to omuye because only go sha and yes coach be catch on say go for training them for try go angles all angles don't mistake it boy go early try don't corner boy the only you have to practice and do it more and so yeah extra.
Atia no ye command e Bernard Dada Dio of Dombote abo mo die timere jani na maboa ma na ma da ye pred man so e bizanza say Africa Ghana team si kwa na omakọ akọti ahwe modomo no kwa na ekọ form mboa e man de da ye mfam na nkofo e ka ze be 50 years kwa no ze ye beje CAF Champions League Confederations Cup na edin na za nkomo no mo kan ne omo ya adwen
and American football no I'm not exposing nearby and say near my baby. Although me, I don't think say near yedin. And so about this time, yashishe niyama because I say this stadium me catch you no. Say at times me name say I don't know the caliber of nipa me. Some to me dream assembly. Some me dream say bia actually me nya kase say na me say me ma Ghana na Ghana start ye. Me name bia kasache na ye kan because me imagine say one day have to be the build as academy me gumu players in Ghana because that's what we need right now. Yes, see complex here enye Ghana mayo enye Winnipeg. Yes, see complex here na yes see sangum yen chem kwala no bobo we market ebe ma football na grow ebe ma national team no mo ji say e be che as a cap but processing as obedu on yen start from grassroots na yen fan because I said
Atia no ye koma Bernard Dada Dio of Dombote ebo mo de ne dia ni na mo na ebo amane ma da ye pretimi ara mo ye fiona yen konkodi nkomo akra ene FC Sama teseni tima ye from Baseke Holy Stars omo edi ebo ani ni na no friendly game omo hwe na omo de abo abo mo na ne ma dadin na eba ne se season esin aba omo baba be jamo na aboa na hyehyɛ na koye kama pa so no etimi ara mo na after we no ochena ombesa bo game back omo ene nzema kotoko ene de bebo ani na bibia ada di so etimi era momo krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Yusuf Mobile kene niama deda diamo no soro ahyase a okomrika no ne no na ni chimu ada kujache obeki of prakakra enti matches na deda da Kotoko ani before na league no eba be se ko etimi era apema na ehun sense na ba be sori no na brante no enya de so nya akwanya ejiamu bu ejuma etimi era momo ntini niama nya deda dadia ohwe na waboa na ntutu no so no akoyi kama pa so no etimi era momo ntini yesi wa hyase a okomrika na bibia ada yeso etimi edi amamonti no so yenkomo akra ababa be rama ye de edan wona aboa na niama dada din party ere how to folk any press conference board no pinfo ne pomodin aye didi di onkomo na say here is the film management no maso ye no bibia da me be rama na yakoni akwaku nkomo akra ne hunsema e na omobo modi etimi ere adan omonti mamenko na Michael Akomia Dispose Messiah menene nhyase na nyendidi nkomo na ne mami rama mikio ansana mababa be rama na afre se my gonna bibia she ye de
abunyame adu bibia kama
menim so de me be rama kakra na men so me ho ye pa na to folk issues e bobo de ba Zdravko Matic ze ye see 2 years contract on e baba be ye juma no na other ones no so de me ahwe kakra
apparently menim say security issues are not available and I say yeah present as at the appointment ho yeah nsensem no so ma clear they are fine there no problem betimi ahwe na Zdravko Matic omede ho dwuma concerns so about ne stay on the previous club say on chair so obeche ni number he number ye ho dwuma nti yen train the official announcement memetia no there are 1 or 2 issues be maybe we'll have to probe deeper na yetimi afishin out near the but assistant now let's see the way anyoma besi akọ as regards House of Folk ne the appointment of his coach or that so but nkomo bi na me pese me nudi na dombo take asa and say we can do it. You see Ghana problem na say school near dey wakọ to school near dey wakọ to ye no unim say calendar no ebia for first term ye kwa 3 months ansani ahyase atro exams dey bia akọ class dey bia ma lesson note otro oye dey obey bia na abu ode ko class wie na mo pomba na wato book na twene exams time so a na akofa book ansa na wesuya de sana Ghana football net here
sana ye football
se BBC South Africa bimbo bombay say ye monwie manjingu ya we never know that we can do something and we start planning ye de ye nim say ye long term plan and ye this season ye trust say they to say ya na ye Ghana football nkwan ye pese ye faso ye toto ne o man ye nim ti se BBC ansa se BBC a ye ne ntu anamo ye ne de no ye reactionary ad hoc measures oh enemanim ya o yemfa ba akum ye no bi mfantum wins ba oh ye wini ba akon ye wini me no ye wini me nsa ne ato atwene so we don't have any plan ye nye project bia wa ha over here there is not a single football project for coaches for clubs for players there is not anything like that it's na my football no akan sinse mu ye hu de ye no ye hwe ye sore ne ye dia we can do something that is appreciable entimi nkodu de alali entimi nkodu de work entimi nkodu de experience omoye no but at least yes your level no ebetimi akwa kodu mpempenso bi a ye ni baje ho a we will be proud of our local football first no our clubs were not winning all the African competitions they were dominant they were present they were consistent dominance never a period when ebia obenya kotoko no akọ finals in a space of 10 years akọ finals be mienu miense bi semi-finals obekọ be numbi obon say other appearances in the group stage and I said the knockout stage and also or make regular appearances House of Folk and so be in a period of dominance sir Ash good ba be rim obwasi go field skin fight samu yina no e wo a very good story to account for Africa adentia so man kwankwaje
yes
but memories I will share pe enije bem. These were clubs where omoito to omonyo ya plan ye say anamon say na ye tu ye ni say ye dey fa say ye say and then they as a football no we are just doing it anyhow o kan pe ni a reference in the skinny ho o kan pe ni a reference skinny ho sika na ni ho no afedi ahokyere ya ba all of a sudden sika to me ba me to me the operations yet me to bi the year we it is planning ye planning We are only looking at the surface. Into a dread draining and a hoto a we are okay. But you see a beko deep say a yo crone was ye mere ne crony wa ne crone wu. Yet the ya ne crone ni katape bam near refi. So that is the problem we have. But Nyankopon shira nyoma bebre. It be a player's talent. Nyama Nyankopon di shira Ghana no. It be a football talent. Ye wo gold, ye wo koko, ye wo diamond, ye wo dien. Football no Nyankopon di shira. Say ye benya gifted footballers. Sa gifted footballers ne ye no. Every year biano potential players, your players or more potential players or more achede no, or more be free system na se epie. Na so mu yi omuti pia enkyerɛkyerɛ baako mienu miensa ene ekwanpa ye de omo be fa so no ene na be mo omotimi apagya be ye kese ya to omo jeje mu kakra bi pe ne yetumi hu ne ya polish ho kakra ene kra ye polish ho ya guso polish na no ne ya behwim ne ye de kɔ. So we have a huge problem. And sa a plan na yentimi nye no sa eniswade hu na yentimi ensete for the long term na bu. It's marking of a lack of a leadership. They lack a particular football vision. Now, Apostle can enkomo bi about Morocco. And anopa. Say it's Royal Majesty o Morocco. HRM. Ano wase shema nioma yedi gugu akwemu. They have set up a football project. Football project, no. Efa emba football hon, efa mbema football hon, efa clubs hon, efa national team hon. Into Obamba football more. Morocco now are playing women's AFCON finals. Eyadi and komuso ho daye. Sa daye no muso ye no. Eno na edidi mu aba. Coach no coach yo no. Eye coach a watching the di Europe with Olympic Lyon. Wa boy ma Champions League finals aje. Yakofana ba. We nim dia wo ma football mo no be imparte. Fa be kire e ma no mo Morocco can naturally and originally. Omu ni talent say ma no mugu Ghana ha. Oh, share Arabian women. Oh, mobile footballer. Omu ni achede ne te say omu was raging way mo because omo na na ho de ne nhede ni ho. Ye ne de no, we are born with the natural strength. Ahode ne wo ho, ane esan so wa achede no nti ye ni ye onyoma bi omo ni bi. South Africa by way Gatlana. Sa Gatlana ne na ho de ni speed o no. No Arabian woman can have it. But naturally they are compensating for that through science. Enti ye be fo bi obekyere ye be ma wonuane ye be pagyaw. Enti ye hu se Morocco emma football no ma pagya. Their national team is making CAF Women's AFCON finals. Omo club size so making appearances at the CAF Women's Champions League. Uye no free wa na ba mema no. Any examples na dey bebre kwa. Yenya work of Morocco, yenya RS Bekane, enya no nko Raja Mobe yu omuti ombe show promise. So we are seeing massive participation on the part of Moroccan clubs. Ewo ye African competitions nim. Uyi clubs ni free mope national team. They have qualified for the World Cup. Back to back. 2018 Omoba World Cup, 2022 Omoba World Cup. Uye no free mo omo local team national team wade chan saying back to back. And today na ka kire they have planned and they have executed, but sadia no eye panyi odasoro and a set sa agenda no ye ne de ne de tese ya qualify ko World Cup no man panya be no ye tresca to and ye corporate entities mama iska akra ye nkodi mama iska akra ne nkodi mama iska ne nkodi the animal ye fundraising ye resist ka akwa blasters asa ye mfes ka ne fan konko ya de bia. So we don't have any direct investment from government into local football. Ye nya any direct investment say aban say me twesika $1 million e de ato say ye de kwose enkwada football mu am ya pagya. Nothing like that. They are buying ni mo an say tournament be aben and the athletics for na Olympic games ye ni omachi yanko and the way mo ye say ye ni omachi no mko and the odi an say what tail crow no afa kra no kwa akwaje nsa ne bi no anom na unnim say e was ye twa ben to na betweni no o twe na ye nu ano ansa na ansa ne ben ansa modia na ye say ade na ben na ko. So we are lacking a clear vision and no direct investment from leadership and a trickle adiaba enti aban ne nye no efe no so direct investment into improving the local game, the attention The plan, policy, there is no clear policy direction. You name the FNO Eddie of local football so yeah. And the who picture be of the GFA president Juan Laporta. Varas more picture no meet me there to swam me. Juan Laporta any to Kraku. A idea, a ceremonial, a very beautiful picture, a iconic. But as it stands now, says our picture no Ghana for any better home, normal share in a Nigeria FA president Nenya. It needs to translate into the young local game name. It needs to translate. I was saying you BB say FA president Koko Shia Juan Laporta no nyoma baku mienu miense bia or tap into it no Ghana ye benefited from it whether directly or indirectly. Nasania ne team come say to ado ne Dortmund ne Germany phobia kasa coaches be call for attachment every season na coaches no more koi. Enya first one no. Second one be by and I already just recently qualified for World Cup here. Omokoi. What is the investment of German football coaches or more technical aspects into our coaching?
Miggy, I'm saying about what was on.
And I coaches Omugua.
Urwani Chimon Kaya, how to football to know. Ishan and Joe Fudin Comona to go after the 14th Casa.
Okay.
Timainti Kakra.
Invest in infrastructure. Make us more commercially attractive. When we achieve success in the commercial arena, we can become more competitive on the field. And we think we are trying to build the game. And we expect that other clubs will follow. And Ghana football will be the beneficiary.
Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports.
I think
Sompa Sports.
that one of the failures, okay, was that we have not committed enough. We have not communicated enough. You know, there is hardly anything that the fans want that we're not doing. They want management strengthened. We have been doing that constantly. They want infrastructure. We have been doing that constantly. They want us to have the best players. Everybody knows. Hansapo has the best players in the country today. Okay? We saw a technical failure and we try to address it. What we need rather is a better focus on the part of the supporters to play their role. A better involvement in a positive way of our former players. Because sometimes the utterances of our players is not good. Anytime our players open their mouth, it is something negative. That is not good. They are supposed to know better how house was managed in the past, how salaries were paid in the past, how bonus was paid in the past, and therefore appreciate what we are doing today and to speak more positively. Just the negative vibes have been a bit too much. And I don't believe that a well-informed body of supporters who are aware of the positive things happening in a class of hope would do what happened last Sunday. So it's not a matter of how the decisions were made, but it's more a matter of people understanding the reasoning behind those decisions and the strategy that are being pursued by management to move this club forward. I have had excellent comments from supporters of rival clubs who appreciate so much what our work is doing. But incredibly, they appreciate so much and which the same things are being done in their clubs. And I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. That's the reality. You know. So I think our failure to communicate is part of it. But of course, there are certain group of people who, when they are not in charge, they don't want anything to succeed. We know that's the problem. sometimes these few mislead the majority. And we think that a way to deal with it is to make sure the majority get to know the facts from it. And that is why we brought you here today. And that is why, we'll ensure regular communication. And the Football for Life, for instance, we expect to communicate directly to our fan base. And of course, the fan base are registered, make it available to the NCC to also support their efforts at mobilizing fans to attend games and etc. So we have identified the issues we're dealing with them. But I think the most important problem is the fact that we have not communicated enough. There've been all kinds of gossip, and sometimes we are so happy about how we are doing that we thought that our work would speak for it. We thought that our work would speak for it. But we've come to realize that it's important that we do a little more talking, a little more informing of the people, and that's what we're doing now.
Sompa Sports. 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 Sompa Sports.
Thank you for reminding me. So I have been many years now.
All right, you ramu koko tie na mezen komono dodo na na dike twa de agu ba chi de wuti no na sema toge afede the 14th day ba no because ozo hwe djuma no kro mo na ye na teams azo mo ne omo etwe kra na ne we no nyina no kra no ehwe project no mo ye no manage ho na ba ko we be interested pass ozo out to focus players na abo team na twam no omo ba abon team bi omo no ansema omo ka bia no as enye sempa ana ansema eya sempa pa omo kan de fa club no na ozo omo omo penso no eni ni ama asesa migi
omo nim standard
yes
sa asem na omo kafa legends ne ho no. This is how I am misconstrued. Say omonte legends na say. Omaswansuo and omaswansa. CCA the omu se club ne no. E ade wo form and they have every right to speak against it. It is Manchester United. No your class of 92 na legendary no. Coming out to bash the team now for poor performances. I just said nyoma enkoye to start with. Akomia na okasembi. But there more no akasambi ne no nka na asem. In the 21st century, dia na ekoso.
We city your club Abu Asifim, a club like House of Folk as big as you are. Your press conference, you can't even stream it on any of your platforms. Untimi in Facebook Live in this 21st century, you are speaking to the media, you are speaking to the masses. Or target yourself message never drew supporters. That is your target. Oh yeah, they can say media no your target audience is the supporters of the club. Supporters of the club. Just say media man never answer no swati bi. Facebook money they do one you stream me if there's one thing I must even comment say the okasa man for another club's ball mabaso no. Kotoko Omanya she kra no. Kotoko will always stream whatever they are doing. Now no I call PK press conference or Baba Sports Stadium. Kotoko was streaming or more press conference live on Facebook.
A digital content.
It's a digital content.
You can commercialize it. Idea way you oh boka obetimi the platform ba kwatoka YouTube. House of Folks oh yeah way now you
YouTuber. I'm not for
sure. Onye scam film.
Obenye scam bebre.
Onye scam film. Enti baby how use to yeah we notice uhi Einstein. Albert Einstein no be can't say way this all yeah
21st century.
You are not communicating enough. You want to correct something which is wrong with the club, which is communication. You are doing a press conference to address that poor communication channel, and still communication is poor.
Always on my farm team.
Be my team crowd to me na my team na Rebecca. Abu Jai tie a FIFA CAF requirement. True. Let us tell truth to power holders. Ya can no cram fan chromo. Ya say can no crash down for. Diomoyeno. A typical of say House of Folk, a Division 1 club and a Division 2 club. They are mismanaging the affairs of the club. I don't care about any plan. I just solid. Say Togbe, you say Togbe, you say. What some of us expect to see, Togbe, I say. Not all yet. Togbe by how many years in it?
Oh, I check.
So do I still need to hear Togbe, you say, Togbe, you say?
Dabi.
Hwɛ ana ɔsɛ deɛ ɔmo yɛ no some of ɔmo rivals no ɔmo wɔ ha no ɔmo ntumi nyɛ you see the thinking the mentality nti obra na wɔbɔ no sɛbe kwahwe akɔa bi a ɔte beebi a na tete no o maame na o papa ne ɔmo yɛ rivals no ɔmo na still wɔhwɛ you are looking to compete in Africa and you are still measuring by Ghanaian standard Africa o ana ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɔwura na wɔkyerɛ ɔbɔbeɛ baby our Bob Ranedru. Still, what do you compare Ghana level? Now where do you want to get to?
In the first place, why is he quick enough? Say Obeba Bonti Abeche say me yesi. Why do you have to prove? DNS will have to focus so prove say uye bibi.
So there's a backlash. Support is a
so why I hope prebe na apeso chese uye bibi. This is not what the supporters want to hear.
Support is a genti yanka bibi ebe to masuma ebe masuma ya omo de.
To foka ya na miki ha me pa ne ze. Niam bi sei no. Omo nya bibi ma hu za ade bi sei be koso. I won't notice as omo ando no bi omo di.
One press conference time omo ka so mbe no. Omo meeting time no. A political.
So omo ne supporters in say
they supporters who press conference.
And then the
yen delay ya de na fan share na ono supporters ko coalition course ahwe dapena na Bishop Peka say football without fans no meaningless. Football se chitafo ni wa emfaso bie ni so
meet the
press. Meet the press. Now was Samobodu na here. House of Folk now was meet the press near 2 p.m. House of Folk official handle Twitter at 1 p.m. It's 1 p.m. no person who coach any meet the press. Time ben and Central 4. Ebe free baby or more adwuma. Edru House of Folk training grounds. As at that 2 p.m. now walk on. Ababe, what I saw my schedule more time to do another thing. House of Folk, you have been a joke. I'm telling you today. We a big club. You have been a joke.
About so, my member on I'm on the Great Olympic season in Bobo Bomo second JC Aba.
Only wonders.
But the
only
Kakran is only second JC.
Only wonders.
Shed their conyo.
JC only wonders.
Where I carrots and I said, me say I carrots. Omo some quality nice designs, man.
Yeah, to omo diaba.
Over the years, Olympics are shared Jesse Papa Janse Kotokopo. Please. In the history of Ghana football. What team or what quality or share Jesse Papa? Every Olympics. Omo de titi jina.
And I call Bugu 50% done. One Bugu. It's all Ghana.
Dr. From Pond oil or Boston Yai.
Why are they?
Or China. Now first can you now find 3 months on their common do players we expect them to go for training. No, she no man cost
what he TV.
No, she no man cost your football minimum. Otiana a male na ya. She player no a common deno. Also answer some brad training. Ombe training anopa. Or ye training we no kofia. No akọ home. No awe gari no ada. Wa home no awe gari no ada. No but not training no trash here. What do you get from it? Yet you think players say be omo ya moa.
As omo ni eju.
Ye de omo akogum nwanbuom enti nwanbuo no omo gum ye bia omo na omo akodi no omo ba. Ye bia no omo akodi no omo ba.
The apostle. The aboba na to fuki afa akra. Minim se kire de dodo na abeba. Togo issue central for na new address omo. Yes here the multi aba. We all see old players no omo ba bonti omo nsem omo kafa team no bia na enche da nyensem ehim kran. Bo out ya na ha adwen pa na omo project omo ye kra no teams na omo ye so omo ye omo kra for no kra na ni ji adwuma na omo ye no na so omo supporters ni dem say ya no omo kika nsem foforo kra alaji
am kan ko reje boss mpacho o kasa wenim am se bo sa se mo se Monday me kan am say you were to gba fe the way adie papa o hempo way adie say the way no po be mine is unprecedented. Ha secretariat wo buagu is in Glasses house eni so commercial house or higher matimo no any place ni payment say omo busumi so ebetu omo ka wa ya de papa na wo ye we nyina na se team no perform a and reflect o park ni so a wo bi hunu de wa ye wo bi hunu de wa ye da I'm telling you and it is a fact ni ade ha supporters no masa wo so mo ni nipa o supporters na kuma so ade papa na ntie wo he po na ntie na so wo se wo do tani alaja kan binka ho na na de enema koso enye maye na e football no wo dwene ho de a you a long way to go.
Ala you dey mo nya ma be come team ma football Oaks FC.
Bravo. Tumuda.
Apostle.
Yes, ko is this Serbia coach go yes the bomb sign no be where you
2 years.
Hey, you say u penka pra tumpan be sena ma woni na body nya de.
Alaji na coach be na mo pe.
Me say u penka pra tumpan a ye be sena ma na body nya de. If you buy quality player, you get quality results. If you bring good coach, quality coach, you get quality results. Compare when board CV compare. Compare mu bi CV papa and system ben and 24 to house of supporters yi. Shut minimum ma bia we drive all the way from the Domain crew over Domain Grechi private car to Accra. After match no time we be do krum ha. What some presenters be the board drop o no kwache from Kumasi to Domachi and now the hospital there because of House of Folk. I'm telling you. Oh, yes. Enti millions of supporters no do ma comedy agro. Mr. wo hempo no. Omo fa hihye pangu akwam. Odo te wapem. So ko ko Legon. Ena wo ho no se frɛ sɛn. Ho no odidi empoa. Kwame Nkrumah. Wonwie school no be university. Kwame Nkrumah wonwie onko university no obi awie de da.
When dey no kre pa.
Ye wo mpanifo ma ba team no dia choko so se dem has. Wo pa wo wi logo nyina nguni tirim papa. Mi do bibia sa has adwuma no wodo te wapem.
Awozo.
Wapem. Nim de bi no biem. Wa fa kan invest and relegation.
Alaj nyanto.
Wa fa kan invest and relegation.
Alaj.
Nyanto. Amo do mo papa so.
Wa nyanto ba se ma uze ne wo hiti. Awozo.
First of all, Dr. Nangaza is not even or near qualified to run as a folk. I mean, I've always, my position is, me say, listen, Alajin him, me say House of Folk there. If there's a team I've covered pie in this country, House of Folk. Okay? House of Folk. Look, I unfortunate, sir, and so I didn't know, so what is also, you floaty shares no more. Ebema House of Folk. I found it to my pay for Nemo flotation. Dear, I say, Buano Sana Motunamwa. First of all, Togbeno may see what bars of a board, but he's not learned the tradition of us of Okwa. Has board in the past of management. So supporters really concerned about Crawford. Oh, yeah, press conference car. And some more grab. There's all person said, Master, mean famo. Mobetimiaka. Mate memfa. And the way was party supporters who don't have in the phone tour and I can be well dressed. Secondly, you don't fight the supporters. Don't. There's all Casano and cancel Nebusu and for free as ugly. All supporters don't mobilize. Or mobilizing one more. Nebusu and for more we are seeing now. And I have supporters. If you want them to mobilize, and I've always been saying this. House of Folk supporters. Ombe sorry away. Penyino for boni ni die mamune from. Ne tiomu ni do some and yomunyang. In the past, look. So say Harris Akon number be around from millennium. That is what it means because Harris Akon and found the basic be on here or wabutre. Obeti supporters no what 2 and more. Sabi some senti niama ye sa na mo peno because on himself without the supporters there's no House of Folk. And that one fair bo ama supporters when he decided that even supporters NCC chairman serving on the board became a political matter. That one can be also no. When he was not supposed to be there in the first place. I'm reducing board membership to Namfone. When you do that, one must supporters then was say be omo hu nhye here our club no because and I can be or a former NCC chairman or the current NCC chairman.
I worked under him for 6 years.
I was against.
I was the Northern Secretary.
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, okay.
Yes, of course. You got to know.
I
worked under him for 6 years.
6 good years.
Boss, go on.
And so the current NCC chairman should have a place there. Send a bear and then Niamana has supporters no mobile meeting or can't now informing the decision of the board. Oh no, why ne can't support the answer my mom? So what does no here some near home why? Sebi who need DNA bo and supporters and your rule or club no more. Anka and then supporters here press conference or press conference. I said Sebi udi agro. I said no madi agro if you bizarre. Unnim ya way.
The club should not be seen as opposing supporters.
But that's what they are doing. That's what they are doing.
Very bad.
That's what they are doing. Huh?
Manchester United.
Has a crown here.
Almost supporters ebufuyi about Super League no and they want representation on the board. Omo nye changes. Omo constitute. Omo the board man supporters no aba so they are giving them hearing. Yanti support.
Has what is they don't know here. Manchester United, Liverpool, Lazio, Old Trafford, Egosu. Supporters are unprevented.
Yeah.
Uti say Manchester board ever did supporters at
Pa Chelsea supporters at all. Abonti pete mu say.
Answer.
Super League Peter check na abonti
Ball
pa
no.
cho.
Ball no say be o. Ye dey we duem and abrofo ye suom. When you don't respect and value and cherish the contribution and role of supporters, you will continue to suffer. Press conference, I want them to listen and watch me tomorrow. Listen, this is a waste of time.
We need a waste of time.
Needless. First of all,
about the call Martin Pierre.
No,
me Michael, they plan to craft to Tio. In some now, me say, if I so be so, you have not addressed the issues supporters have raised.
Share idea we did. The NHS say we a house of folk and a baby. Trinity, what branding material by the way just say a house of folk.
With I say Asebiasi Putupuna minister be a friend and
I'm saying a poorly plan. Because house of folk, sponsors, partners, your press conference, who marks ne jag ne
I am surprised that Dr. Yakamokulu, no disrespect, Frank Nelson there talk about Fano Nyeshi. Hard fact. Minority shareholder. No. Minority shareholder. But of Fano Nyeshi. I know a subject for different Fano Nyeshi. Or Fano Nyeshi mean call. I know you're a different subject. But the point is that supporters, one club never failed to qualify to Africa. Supporters both raise a lot of issues. And the facts to be say address issues now water down the pressure. And ni year mono fre NCC chairman no kra wechi. Now ni nkasa na the press conference no kra no monye. Na mo be mo press conference enye girigidi enye se be obi enye league bi na cause obi ampia motiko. Na mo ne no by ebia next week and week Friday na NCC chairman that way una otiwe. A dear message with the president of the NCC chairman. And I will send it to the rank and file of Hasbro support base.
I was the chair to us. I was asking where money supporters or Cameroon or baby.
Or any asogly state. See, all the buses back or some about.
What's that?
I like Ramuka Kramer.
Someone na boss wakano. Me name me say press conference here omo ye no. Opara do craft frame 12:40. Say 1 p.m. and as by you be baso. Nanka winning denka issue at stake. Senka na no. The sea warp a crash poster do me fee be no solution and uncommon so
social media channels no or the apology statement
they down here match no
and then officially
we all call Facebook
and anybody when you handles anybody so mo ye
we no diabolical one and you bound to put money down I don't know money down pa
for the future.
What
do you put to prune our the announcement?
They don't know what they are. Alaj,
Mama, I can't see I French for
now. That knows your mama.
A French for no.
Allow my
Asema hinti na nka me local people no for mo.
Bataba.
Ba.
Makawina na me fa college.
And then the 4 pe. Has and then ajaji ye ni so na ne sheti na se 2:30. Na la wani mama ni so South Africa doctors dey declare say wa fe dey obetimi na wa fit obetimi ba fie na rehab no wa beto so Ghana ha. Ena
amene be omo so mfeni Zidane. O wante. Awo yande fe Zidane. Ala yure enko.
Board no so omo si nyame ya doma weekend di the Friday Saturday omo hia place ni nyina na omo tie omo hawo. Sa ano mo kan na after omo hia place na we ni free Monday so kono stakeholders nso omo hia omo se de no omo hia eye ayi na nso omo hunu omo hawo. Na amankwa ba fi so so nyame ada o man na no pa doctor declares afedie why fit mamenko people friend no la proca wose club du takwa mediama de la fsi de la Carla Otumaje la visite de la Kotokuroya de Mame Bokula la galamse soir on sait okobuno regional omo
Bono tofo.
And the people say if you more and say I will be see Western region. No more betu dingalamse tofo. Abriye. Unimre tu de mamen ko.
Debo woso.
Abriye. Kadiago de la Burkina Faso là-bas. Monsieur Lama au brigadier samedi chemise appelez-vous appelez boutu l'accord de Veta de la Congo. Wasi Kadiogo fono o makan ho. Omo se Vita Club for nyine come for yi kotoko free mo krum ha no sa kwa na mbefa so eji Vita for na Vita Club for na free mo Congo ba makoni sid mai ene for pe na ba
alaji enko minim
re fi so kuma se ha na omo twi kotoko e form ewire mu no sa no be Vita ha
okay
abriye ne ba sala jela ma asamanfu Botu Express au fond pensant de la musique soit le monde Mfatwa akulete monsieur musique de la mort. On se fera penser que remix bi makotoko fo bekai. Oh ba, boss what be? What be my house? Every day we do they fighting, every day supporters fighting. To so we there. Emre ni afa.
Ala ibate. Me no be say shawala.
La champion du Ghana. Frimpong, attention du soir. Ono do die di Mame Bokula. Woso wure be fenu kwaku Frimpong. Wose Ghana league na bomfa premiership anaza Premier League. People na see the hwehwe mu Pierre Kona be die ni hwe mo se wo wunim na wo bobbo na wo di anka adwo akora be bobi no. Wato mra.
0551931931 0548931931 me pa cho tie ni baby akasafi.
Yo karamawa ni biabi kasafi bokrom.
Jama yego.
Biabi mwabo ajuma nyame triamo. Na kakra me ye kan say eti abai na ne me di bo mo aka so pa se ko ti ti de so mu di ni ye pa na we de ya ye din ti ye mesere omo se ye nya didi omo mu o sala ro de omo po mu na nsi tom no mu pa ye nti ye tene be ya ye ni ta e pe local ball e do ko ya ma Sunday bia na ya nya ba bi akodi ye ni ye
Matimera se me pa cho dia ni baby akasafi.
Oh champion Abu Dhabi.
Onaskopi yanko.
Adala sama me boni tew. Na be fi mo tafu kam se send de ha. Senior ma ga so ko fe na mangala am ruli mo. Omu ni na mo mu tesu passport na nyi. Abu ense bi ohonu ma aya no kwere we e ka Ye ndi ami nya make sa ne se. Wo ko ke lo kro. Ya so supporters ya use most. Ya you do so hard coach. Some of what you know, who is so hard coach. It was about 7 minutes of fans on them now. Your wife is not playing and so very. The minute some of what I can make a member show because I am for 25 and I bet you anything and your man is war. And they are playing for a suit in one man. And I said,
Matimera se pa me pa cho dia ni baby akasafi.
Abu Dhabi,
Ganto amijo.
Abu Dhabi, the summer is to have to cook. They have to talk to me, my friend. Obi one bodo ye kitini so. But no ra ku ni me play force no. Ni play force. but really na can question supporters ni ase no dey be America they say until say board you know obey like yeah supporters you can't say my obey the no say supporters you take care of because and make go on one yeah it is as a supporters you know yempa akambi yempo those are on because you contribute too little and a club no it be the next supporters some make it care on when you be ya no be the ebe group game
Martin Medase me pacho di ene baby akasafi
awu
yes sir
we are for there
me what dey now so
abu na be the patrol and be service touchdown I mean Adams or you not against touchdown abu yeah that's the 24 no me football I think that I could be say I couldn't go back for some and if you see that because I have a book no you knew what say na traditional to no be and the baba kwa ko di nsem na do bi o so so ri kana ye ma I don't pretend bi I think so dey o ka ta say Zulaba we aba omo ko di sebredi ba wo under one administration no ko di greba mo survive bi ni say mo report ni fi mo abra ko to supporter but at least yen kwaro ko to kola ni bi say ye manager so na no aponta e bi o no mbra mbra ye bi see I have a good club kataka and a pure water company who had been you know joking kataka we the ama can be any any water ma ko say
ate Medase me pacho di ene baby akasafi
hello boss good afternoon
yeah atongo
boss
it's you
kaka me kan say the boss can say so ba wet na wali asa o tu ban je o sai dia na de o na say ken o tu ana o jaja egu form na me kan ko bi say o to do say o ye ba ka na won to no sama blast and ko ka sa na e say deal ye Ghana for ye give the free o to do some because all the work up here open when you say one to the what the players are on the one work up na say and about also players materials like for that build the like the light of my jida shimilu almost 24 years okay but what you saw then you do a free up on the light of mobile workers there's a blast ye give the free to about that
Martin Medase pay here for Sinyambo chana ya oda beba 7 to 7:30 am area tip off 9:30 to 12 full time na free to for your shootout yako na minim to aso etimiere amamo
21st clinic say e basia